see you, baby.
Hi guys, it's your girl Natasha Nicole here, and I am coming through to do an unboxing because baby, when I tell you I needed somebody that I could depend on for some hair, and I've already worked with this vendor before.
This is not a sponsored video.
They didn't sponsor the last one either. It was just really great quality hair. And I actually ended up making a post on Instagram, and she kind of like reached out to me or whatever because I tagged her about the hair, and you know, she gave me a little small percentage discount on this hair, but not nothing amount over $10. So you know, let's just be real about it. So I can't really say that this video is sponsored because it's not, but it is a very great company. She's just really nice and just very thoughtful, and she's just an amazing person, which makes you want to work with her more. But anyway, I then bought some hair because this hair that I actually have on, I will have a link in the description box below about this hair that I actually have on. But this hair was supposed to be the look that I'm looking for when I purchased this hair. So since this hair didn't do exactly what it was supposed to do, I went to somebody that I knew, reached out to her and like, listen, because I know she, you know, please tell me that you got this for me. So anyway, I got my package in the mail, Amazon Prime. As you know, I always order all my hair offline, off of Amazon. Yeah, but anyway, but this vendor right here is called Wingirl Hair. You may have seen a video before. I actually had a frontal wig that I had bought from them, and that hair is just like impeccable. It is holding up, and that wig is just like everything. It was just like a little bit shorter, not because she sent me shorter, but because that's the length that I ordered it. I think I ordered it in the 18, and I just wanted something a little bit longer. And that hair is so bomb. When I tell you, every time I wear it, it just gets better with age. So I was like, girl, listen, I know you sell bundles in the closure, so where you at? You know what I mean? So she's like, yeah. She sent me a, you know, a link to this hair, which is just, I believe I ordered some Brazilian body wave. So just open it up. It looks like this. Oh, this time it has Wingirl on it. I don't think it had that on the last one. So it just says Wingirl on here, Amazon, whatever, you know. So that's kind of cute. I'm just excited. I hope the hair is true to length, which I feel like it will be. Oh, girl, I forgot. What did I order? I think this hair, I don't even remember. Let me see. On this hair, I ordered, what did I order? Ooh, did I order 22? Okay, so for this hair, I ordered the inches 22, 20, 18, and a 16-inch closure, which I'm excited about because if y'all go and watch the review, you'll know what I'm talking about with this hair. Anyway, they sent you some little lashes or whatnot. I don't know why I wear those. But anyway, getting on to the showstopper. First off, because I done had some problems with some closures. Yes, I know I don't even. So excited. Okay, so I just got the body wave, and this is the 16-inch closure. Yes, this is going to give me a long sleek look, which is what I've been wanting. And I just wanted like some straight hair. I wanted some straight, but oh girl, listen, baby, this hair feels so good. This feels so good. I'm so excited. So I just got the regular 4x4 closure, and this hair is just already, oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited because it's 16 inches and it's actually 16 inches. I know it is. This hair is long for the closure. I can't even get it all in frame. Like, baby, yes. I know this is bomb. And it just feels so good. It's so soft. And it just comes with, I guess, like, I thought I ordered a free part, but it doesn't matter because I want it in the middle anyway. So middle part looks like it comes with a couple of baby hairs. The knots are very small on this, so you will have to still bleach just to make sure that your knots aren't visible, but that's fine because the knots are already small, so I know it won't take that much to lift and bleach those. But this hair feels so amazing. So I didn't even show you, but it comes with this little card like this. It just says Wingirl. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but it says Wingirl. It tells you how to contact them on the back. We appreciate you chose our store, follow our Instagram, surprises, I guess the free hair discount, blah blah blah. I guess that's kind of what I got because I work with her, or you know, I purchased from her before, but you know, whatever. My nails look horrible, don't pay any attention. But yeah, so that's all the information. So that came with that little card too. And so already starting out with a 22 inch. I already knew she wasn't gonna disappoint. The customer service from this vendor is impeccable, which is another reason why you should order, because at least you know that you're gonna get what you want to, you know, get what you need. Y'all, all of them come wrapped up in this little net, which is fire, which I think all of them do, but yes. Listen, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing with this hair. And this is 22. Yes, yes, baby, yes. I'm so excited to make this wig. I'm so excited to make this wig. This hair feels like butter. Butter, you hear me? I cannot wait to make this hair. Make this wig. I probably will also make a video on how I sew my wigs together, because they're simple, super easy. In case y'all want to try to sew your own wigs together, because I know sometimes when you're like ordering wigs, they could be, you know, a little, they're just pricier, you know. And here's my 20 inch, and they all came in these packages. I don't know if I showed the last one. The hair just feels so good, and it's just like dark. It doesn't have a lot of those colorful strings in there. It does have a few blonde, I don't know if you can see, but you know how sometimes when you get hair and it has all those different like blue and red strings in there from the manufacturer, and it doesn't smell bad. The wefts look really good on them, which is also another good thing. So super excited about that. And this is my last bundle, which is my 18. And this 18 honestly looks like the 20 that I received in this hair that I have on. Like, I can't even lie. And all the hair just feels so good. And it doesn't have no smell, so yes, baby. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So I wanted to unbox it on camera, so here this is. We did the unboxing, so now I can finally put it together. And yes, I will make sure that I film myself actually putting this wig together, because I haven't filmed a actual wig video in a while, so I will do that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this small little unboxing. Once again, this is Wingirl Hair, and it is a great vendor. Like, just wait till we finish with this wig though. So y'all just go ahead and stay tuned, because that wig video is coming up, and I guess I will see y'all in the next one. Until then, y'all make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure that you leave some comments down below, because I love chatting with you guys, as well as let me know if there's any videos that you would like to see me do that I haven't done before here on my channel. And yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see y'all in the next one.